Tesla is making headlines with its bold claim that two Optimus humanoid robots are now working autonomously within one of its factories, marking a significant milestone in the realm of industrial robotics. This development is not just a technological leap but also a strategic move that could redefine the competitive landscape of the automotive industry. The Optimus robots, which were previously reliant on virtual reality and remote control for training, have transitioned to performing tasks independently, free from the strings of human operators. This autonomy in a real-world factory setting is a testament to Tesla's commitment to innovation and its pursuit of efficiency through automation. The narrative surrounding Tesla has been increasingly vocal, with a surge in communications aimed at reinforcing the image of Elon Musk as an unparalleled leader whose vision and leadership are integral to Tesla's success. Amidst discussions about Musk's compensation, Tesla's proactive approach to sharing information has brought the spotlight back onto the company's advancements. The Optimus robots, potentially available for sale next year with an estimated price tag of $25,000, embody Musk's ambition to make robotics a cornerstone of Tesla's future. In contrast, Tesla's Chinese counterparts, BYD and NIO, have embarked on a similar journey by partnering with UBTech Robotics. Their collaboration has birthed the Walker S robot, which is already integrated into car manufacturing processes, performing a variety of functions that streamline production. This partnership highlights the global race towards automation, where humanoid robots are not just a novelty but a strategic asset that could shape the future of manufacturing. As Tesla's Optimus robots take their autonomous strides within the factory, they represent a bold statement in a narrative dominated by Musk's vision. The question that looms large is how this will influence the industry and whether Tesla's foray into robotics will set a new standard for automation in manufacturing. With the Chinese market not far behind, the integration of UBTech's robots by BYD and NIO signifies a burgeoning trend that could see humanoid robots becoming a common sight in factories around the world.